P.B. Shelley was also called as a mad Shelley. He was given this title by his contemporaries, by some critics, even in the college, in the university. He was called by this name, Mad Shelley. On the other hand, we all are aware of this fact also, that P.B. Shelley was also given another title, perfect singer. Okay, perfect singer. So why, what was the reason that P.B. Shelley was called as Mad Shelley? So this kind of question can be asked in short question in exam. So we must know that why P.B. Shelley was given this kind of title, in spite of given so many best lyrics or poem like Adonais, like Ode to the West Wind, to a Skylark. So I will suggest all the students that they must really go to the biography of P.B. Shelley, to the life introduction of P.B. Shelley, that actually what all happened with him. We all know that P.B. Shelley, he had eloped with Harriet Westbrook, and their marriage made Shelley's father very angry. But here we are talking of the Mad Shelley, this title, that why he was given this kind of title. So Shelley, he was misunderstood. Okay, first of all, that it is supposed by some critics, by the fans or by the lovers of P.B. Shelley, that actually he was misunderstood by his contemporaries, by other poets also, even John Keats. P.B. Shelley, actually P.B. Shelley was so attached to John Keats, he was so sad at the death of John Keats that he composed even Adonais. But we don't find any kind of mutual relationship between John Keats and P.B. Shelley also, because P.B. Shelley, he was called Mad Shelley, and why he was supposed to be as an atheist. Though P.B. Shelley, in his poems, we find in Adonais also that he believed in the existence of God, and he always regarded that there is that divine power. He believed in rebirth also, that is a Hindu mythology, and he was a Christian. He was a Christian. In spite of that, he didn't seem to believe in Christianity, and for that he was regarded as an atheist, and even he was disowned by his own father also. His father was very angry, very angry with P.B. Shelley at his this kind of atheism, and as he had eloped with a girl, Harriet Westbrook. For that his father was also very angry, and now for that reason his father disowned him. His first matrimonial adventure was also a miserable failure, and he was deprived even of his children, okay, by the judgment of the court. Means Shelley was not given even the authority of even the control or the supervision of his own children by the judgment of the court, that no, you are not a good father, you had never been a good student, you had never been a good son, not even a social citizen. So how can we trust that you may be a good father? Even you couldn't prove yourself as a good husband. So this is why that I am suggesting my all students to go through the life of P.B. Shelley, that he was declared as completely loser, a failure, as a lover, as a husband, as a father also, and as a student, as a social citizen, and even as a human being too, as a human being, even as a friend. As a friend, he was declared that he was not trustworthy. But as a poet, we find that he was a perfect singer. So he was also taken the authority of his children by the judgment of the court, and he was hated. Okay, he was hated, he was disliked, and we can find all these pain that was felt by P.B. Shelley in his old poems. I am one whom men love not. It was said by P.B. Shelley that I am one whom men love not. Okay, so he was hated and he was hounded out even of England. He was hounded out of his own country, England, and he always called himself, in Adonais we find this, a phantom, a phantom among men. People behave with me just like as if I am a skeleton, I am a ghost, I am a phantom, as if I have come from another planet, I am an alien for all of them. And companionless, that I am completely friendless because nobody loves me, nobody likes me. A dying lamp, a falling shower. And Matthew Arnold, a Victorian poet, what he said about P.B. Shelley, that P.B. Shelley had been an ineffectual angel, beating in the void his luminous wings in vain. So all these were the reasons that he was called Mad Shelley.